Okay guys, we're back with another video. I'm a prisoner! Guys, my brother's calling me. So, yeah, I'm a prisoner! Okay, so I'm going to be doing it right now. I'm going to be being a prisoner. My brother wants me to. Okay, I'm a prisoner. And I'm going to be trying to escape, guys. This is my first video on Jailbreak. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And move my camera so you can see me a little bit. Okay, so subscribe, hit that like button right now. I'm going for 10 subscribers, 10 likes. Yes, we're dropping it down a little bit. But yeah. So we're in the game. I'm going to look for my sister. She should be down here. Remember, we're playing with my sister. I joined her. I'm playing with my sister because I wanted to show you guys my sister's channel. You should subscribe to her and stuff. I think when I saw her, she was downstairs in this game. So I started off in a good place. Now I'm going to run to a place where I need to go. So she should be around here somewhere. Guys, say hashtag I can hear you because my microphone does not let you hear anything sometimes. And that's going to be a bit annoying for you guys, and I don't want that to happen. And I'll try to get a new microphone. Okay guys, I'm trying to open this gate. Guess I gotta wait for everything to reload. Now I gotta wait for my brother to get... Oh wait. That's interesting. Did I just lock myself? Okay, I'm not that dumb, guys. I'm not that dumb. I would not lock myself in a random place. Why am I not? Okay, so I'm just gonna walk around the prison. As you can see, I have... Move this down. The chat. People have vlogged jewelry store, museum, and a lot of stuff. Is that my brother? Oh, that's not my brother. Hey, Dino. That's probably my brother. Is that my brother? Oh, that's my brother! Okay, guys. That's my brother, so I'm going to... Come on the rope! Take me! Oh, wait! So, guys, he left me. I'm gonna move my camera because you can't see. Can you see now, guys? I have 666 money right now. It's not a lot, but... Oh, no, I'm gonna try to catch it. Huh. Okay, that's not really how to catch... Oh, wait. Calm down. Please don't put it that low as you did before. Okay, come on, take me up. Okay, guys, he's taking me right now. Oh, no, he left me. Guys, he literally left me. He threw me down on the ground. Oh my god, guys. I'm going to be moving my camera a bit throughout this whole video because I want you to see who the people are. My friend is Dino Master. He has a lot of friends, so make sure you subscribe to him. I always say to subscribe to people I know in this game, guys. Make sure you subscribe to them. Give a like. Oh my god, guys. So he's taking me to I don't know where. And I also have 666 money. So, yeah. I am going to do another video tomorrow. Actually, 2 more videos because I had not one backup for the past, I don't know, 4 weeks. So I don't know what he's taking. Oh, he's taking me to the museum. Okay, he's taking me to the... Oh, God. Okay, so he took me to the museum. I'm going to try to break it open. And then we're going to end the video there, guys. Once I break it open, because I don't have enough storage. Okay, I'm going to rob some stuff and get out of here right now. Remember, this bank can be dangerous sometimes. So it's going to... Oh no! Oh no, guys. I'm sorry, guys, but I have to end the video to here. Okay, guys. Bye. and have a good time. Peace. Always peace.